Bless you. Is that a sneeze or a cough? Which one? Sneeze or a cough?
I think she's coughing.
Coughing? You okay?
Coughing to you.
All right, we're on. 19 countries entered the Florida Caribbean Cruise Association Foundation essay competition. And a 12-year-old Jamaican student of Osborne Primary and Junior High came out on top. Duh, it's what we do. She is Jordina Dryden, and her mom, Khadija, is also here. Good morning to you both, and thank you for being here with us. Khadija Reed. And it's good to have you. Congratulations, Lede. You did it. How did you hear about this competition? How did you know it was going on?
My principal, Mrs. Henry, announced it in devotion. Yes, and they chose two persons, which was me and another girl. But when her essay wasn't that ready.
Okay.
So mine was like not ready, but need some edits. And we worked on it and so forth. So she announced it, yeah.
Okay, so you are in grade 6.
Yes.
You're getting ready for PEP. You love to write.
Yes.
What do you want to do when you grow up?
Well, my career is to become a teacher, then principal.
Mommy, you hear what's going on? Okay, so you're a head girl now.
Yes.
Obviously, you're very disciplined. You're clearly, as your teacher says in this article that I read, very smart. Mom says you're a very diligent student. So you got this essay, and the essay topic is: many cruise passengers use cruising as a way to sample different destinations. What impression does my country leave on these passengers, and how does it, or should it attract them back as stay-over guests? Me not touch that. A joke. I probably would take a stab at it. But Mom, you helped her along with the essay. Tell me the role you played in all of it.
Okay, to be honest, when she came with the essay, or when I got the call from her teacher, because she was actually in grade 5 when the essay came, and when she came with it, honestly, I was a bit skeptic, because I'm saying you have exams going on. She had PEP. Yes, ma'am, she had PEP going on, and then she had end of term going on also. So we were a bit like, Jordina. And then the teacher called and said, they need it. So see what you guys can do. So along the way we said, you know, the teamwork, let the dream work.
Yeah.
So we chipped in and we got in it, and you know, it was just, I gave it to her, then they called and said, it's good, so just pump up some more stuff on it and let we send it off.
Yeah.
And then really, when we got the call, honestly, Simone, we weren't.
Did y'all cry?
Oh my God, I wanted to cry, I wanted to run around the place, but you know, I was just trying to hold that composure. But I'm telling you, God is good.
Did you cry? Did you cry?
Well, I was so excited.
I know, right?
It's just hard for tears to come out of my eyes sometimes.
So how much work was this? So Mommy said you're doing grade 5 PEP. You're preparing for end of term, which I know is a lot of work, because I have a daughter in grade 5, so I understand, right?
Yeah.
So what did it take for you to get this essay together, and did the ideas flow, or was it a lot of work for you to get it done?
Well, first I did some brainstorm.
Yes.
Then I gathered my information, and then I put myself in a place where if I was a tourist, how does Jamaica attract me?
Okay.
Yes, and Mommy was also there helping me, and I did some research and so forth.
Okay, so tell me what you wrote in a nutshell. Obviously, you can't tell me everything, but what was your approach? What you start with a quote: the world is a book, and those who do not travel read only one page. What? Big quote to start. And then you went on to talk about how beautiful Jamaica is as a destination. Tell me what else you wrote.
I wrote about the country Jamaica.
Yeah.
It attracts people in many ways.
Culture.
Yes, our beaches, our
Yes.
food, our hotels, our overall culture attracts tourists to come back here and, you know, have fun.
You sold our country. She made sure to touch on all the selling points. And then she said, as tourists come and go, we must preserve our heritage and attractions that entice cruise passengers to this beautiful island. The different acts of violence must be curbed so that tourists feel safe and comfortable in coming onto our shores. We therefore need to treat our visitors right. Don't need a little try to tell us that, but the little ones always lead us, right? Brilliant. So first in Jamaica.
Yes.
Third internationally?
Third internationally.
Boom. So what next? What next? So you haven't got this call now. What have you won as part of your prize?
A check only.
No, only? You don't put only behind a check. No, we said check and we say yes. Thank you. But along with that, great pride, right?
Yes.
So your teachers are celebrating, your school is celebrating you, your mommy is celebrating you.
Yeah.
And
Even strangers.
Even strangers. And how do you feel within yourself?
Well, I am proud. I'm lost of words at this time. I can't express myself knowing that hard work pays off a good result.
And tell me something now. Having won that, and you're going on to tackle PEP in grade 6. And let me not say tackle, because they say you speak things out there, and then I will foist my formulation on you based on what I say. But going into and walking into PEP, has this given you like a sense of confidence that you can take it on and you can just conquer it? It has. Okay. How are the preparations for PEP going?
It's going great because I have been attending extra lessons plus Saturday classes. So
yeah,
I'm getting a little extra help.
Right.
How to manage PEP.
But I see you're a high achiever. It says
Yes.
so on your badge, so I know she's going to do well. Mommy, how's it been?
Well,
I know for you, PEP is PEP. We both do PEP, right?
I did
The two of no,
yes,
meaning
yes,
you
yes.
are.
Exactly.
You're back to school. Yeah.
Oh my God, right from scratch, right
Correct.
from scratch. So, as she said, the preparation, and I try to instill that discipline where, you got to get this done. You understand? And tell her, I highlighted that the moment you stop trying, that's where you're going to fail.
Right.
You understand? So we have to keep at this. So when you fail, it's our duty to get back up because, as I said, it's a teamwork. You understand? So once you fail, I fail.
Right.
You understand? So as she says, she's there going to extra classes, getting the extra help that she's weak in, just to pepper and get it going.
Yeah.
Yes.
I don't think you're weak in anything. I think they're just opportunities for you to get even stronger. You know what you're doing. You sit here today, you exude such calm and such confidence that we know there's going to be another story to read about her as we move forward. I want you to just give a word of encouragement. When is PEP again? When does the first exam start?
I think it's
This month. Yeah.
Right. So, Jordina, tell the people who are watching, tell all your fellow 6th graders who are nervous, who are anxious. What would you say to them this morning?
If you believe in success and you believe that it is impossible for you to try, the moment you stop trying, you already fail. As Mommy always tells me that the moment you stop trying, you already fail. So I truly believe in that. So I think it's Philippians 4 verse 13. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. And I truly believe that because that is my motto for everlasting. Because sometimes, like when I feel like I can't, I just remember about my motto and it really pushes me and for me to do better.
I know, me too. I'm sorry. Oh my gosh. Woo! Thank you for that word. I'm not a 6th grader, but I'm taking it, okay? Bless you. All the best to you. Mommy, this is your work, right? I see you tearing up over there, but it's obvious that you have instilled a sense of pride and passion and discipline in her. So yes, you deserve to feel good.
Yes, and finally, we just want to thank the stockholders of Osborne Store Primary and Junior High.
Yes.
For, the hard work. They too have contributed to her molding. You understand? So we just want to tell everyone thanks for, this lovely little girl because she's really... I see she's going places.
Greatness.
I see she's going places.
Her.
So
Amen.
It's really good.
All right. Thank you, guys. All the best to you in your exams.
Thank you.
Let us know how it goes. It's winner of the Florida Caribbean Cruise Association Foundation essay competition, Jordina Dryden and her mom, Khadija. Carrie Sales is back on stage after this. Are these the pep dates, Clive? February 27, March 19 and 20, and April 23 and 24.
Yes.
You have so got this. You've got this, okay? You've got this. All right, we'll be right back, guys, with more.